Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So recently our channel was hacked and I'm pleased to announce to you guys that we've recovered it. Now a huge shout out to everyone alongside the folks at YouTube for making this possible. Of course we do have suspicions of how this came to be, but we are not certain of what led to what. Now with that said, there are a couple of information and also security tips that we'll love to share. First off, we now have a new channel called askNK Mini. That did serve as a backup channel while the main channel was down. And I guess a few of you guys did find out, as we did announce this on Discord and other social media platforms, that this is the channel to be in case you like to find out some of the recently uploaded videos and relevant ones that we believe you guys love. And of course, we did upload a ton of them right there. That channel will remain as askNK Mini for now and might progress to become a bigger channel later in the future. Currently, we're playing with a few ideas of what that channel can possibly be in the future. Maybe a hardware review channel, an unboxing channel. And at this point, we're simply open to any ideas that you guys have. So if you do have an idea of what you would love to see on the channel moving forward, please put that in the comment section. Now, here are a couple of security tips that I would suggest for creators and anyone that has a Gmail account so you don't fall into a situation like this or potentially lose all of what you've built over the years. First off, if you do own a YouTube channel, I would definitely suggest that you back up your data on a hard drive. Furthermore, you can also go ahead and open up an Odyssey account. Odyssey is an open source platform which was previously called Library, and that is a platform that did help us a lot in terms of securing a ton of videos that we have, as that easily links up between YouTube and also their main platform for you to be able to transfer your videos from YouTube and store them right there. It's an open source platform and you can literally go back there and get your videos out, and that is basically what we did. Now for those who also have a Google account, there are a set of security tips that I would suggest that you go ahead and do right now. First off, set up a recovery email, set up a recovery phone number, set up that 8-digit code, set up a 2-factor authentication, and for a maximum security, I would definitely suggest that you use a USB as your passkey, as that would secure your account against issues like this. And like we all know, mail and YouTube hijacking is now on the rise, and protecting yourself against things like this will definitely help you in the long run. Now, if you do find yourself in a situation where your channel has been compromised, I would definitely suggest that you contact the folks at YouTube via X, previously known as Twitter. The response time can range between 6 to 8 hours, and this is on a case-by-case basis, so there is no guarantee of how long it will take for you to be able to recover or even get a response from them. And the cool thing is, once they get in touch with you, they can start the recovery process by securing the Gmail that is associated to the YouTube and proceed to recover the YouTube channel. And from there, they will also proceed to recover all of the videos that you have on your YouTube channel. In our case, all of our videos are now here and you can continue enjoying the contents that we provide to you guys. We're currently setting up securities across all our devices and platforms, and we will resume publishing videos as soon as possible. Now, there is one more tip for creators that are monetized. Do go ahead and make an alternative account for your AdSense, as this might become a very super useful resource whenever or if ever you get into a situation like this, as YouTube will require the AdSense ID when they're trying to recover and secure your channel. And if this ID exists on the same account that has been hacked, the chances of you being able to even get that in the first place will be highly impossible. So my advice would be, set up a Gmail account that you can use for your AdSense, and you can link that Gmail account to your original YouTube account and make that a manager and have things super secure. And if you do have a Gmail account, then go ahead, set up that 2-factor authentication and also create that USB passkey, as this might end up saving you a lot of heartache. So this is it for those who like to follow up on the askNK Mini channel, or possibly you like to follow us on any of the social media platforms that we have, or join us on Discord, or become a patron or a member. The links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. And of course, if you do have any suggestion of what you would like to see on that new mini channel, then put that in the comment section and we will consider that. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.